Hi, ako si Larry, a civil engineering student. And to be honest, sa engineering, every day feels like a battle I don't know how to win. Habang lahat gets agad in solving, ako nakatunganga, walang maintindihan. Ang hirap, parang gusto ko na lang sumuko. Kaya ko. After class at child library, tahimik. Pero sa utak ko, ang ingay. Bawat solution na sinubukan ko, mali. Sulat, mali. Burado. Sulat ulit, mali na naman. Burado. I just wanna close the book and go home. Ang bigat na eh. Pero na-shock ako. Bigla na lang andun ang classmates ko. Walang judgment, walang drama. They just simply tap my shoulders. At asabay silang nagturo sa akin kung paano isolve ang equation na kamuntik na ako masiraan ng ulo. At yun, gets ko na. Sa wakas. Kaya mabigat, gumaan. At mula noon, we start studying together. Kaya mahirap, naging madali. Exam day. Ramdam ko yung kaba sa bawat pagtibok ng puso ko. Pero nalala ko ang mga paghihirap at oras na hindi ko sinukuan. At mga kaibigan tumulong sa akin. Nung akala ko hindi ko na kaya. Kaya this time, I answered each item with confidence, one by one.
Okay, I have the results. Larry, congrats in our class.
When I learned about the results, I was overwhelmed with joy. Finally, I passed. That's when I realized college is hard. You'll fail. But with friends by your side, you rise. You stand up and help each other and try again. Every step forward is a victory you can share. Yeah, simple lang. Never give up because you'll never be alone.